Drag. High price of mom. Hell it ran on family business. Dear Abby. 20 years ago, my sister and I brought a business from our mother. We all love and respect one another and get along well. We will be business, breaking up the business in 2 years. Our problem. Mom who is now 77 still does a salary from us about and began. The payment for the business, her workload has lessened clearly. As the truth, she could do all of her work in one day and lessen the burden of her salary. However, she says she go crazy if she retires. We don't want that. She could still come in as often as she wants and do her personal paperwork, banking, letter writing, reading expenses. They are all things she does at work on the clock. If we time to discuss this, mom gets hurt and says, just let me know when I'm not. What's the money? We don't want to do that. We would hope she would see the finish of this and success is herself. Business expenses are going through the roof, and there are updates. We should make as we can to it as long as we are paying mom at the level we are on top of the money for the buyout daughter dress. Thank you.